Welcome to Shifting Energy. This is a 10 minutes guided meditation for beginners. This meditation can be really powerful if you're struggling with stress or anxiety, or if you just wish to clear your mind from negative thoughts and be in the present moment. So, start by finding a comfortable position, either lying down or seated with a straight back. And take some time to adjust your body and get comfortable. Close your eyes when you're ready. Your spine is straight. Your palms are facing upwards. And your body is relaxed. Take some time now to fully be in this moment. Pay attention to how your body is feeling. Feel your clothes caressing your skin. Feel the chair or the bed that is supporting you. Feel the heat or the cold on your skin. And pay attention to any sounds. Become aware of your breath. Observe your breath as it flows in and out of your lungs. Observe its journey. Now, let's focus on the breath again. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. And hold again for 4 seconds. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. And hold. Now go back to your normal breathing. Observe if any thoughts are arising in your mind. Don't judge them, simply observe them as if they were not yours. Now, let's focus on the breath again. Breathe in for 4. Hold for 4. Breathe out for 4. Hold for 4. Again, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Now return to your normal breathing. Now we're going to relax your body and release any tension in your muscles. So allow your body for deep relaxation. Let's start from your toes. Bring awareness to your toes. And with every exhale, imagine releasing every tension from your toes. Focus now on your feet and massage them with your breath. Take some time to release tension and stress from your feet. Now move your awareness to your calves and exhale any tension that is in there. Let's move up to your thighs and relax them. Feel this nice sensation of full relaxation. Now your lower body is relaxed. Notice any sensation. Notice if it feels heavy or light. Bring awareness now to your abdomen, and on your exhale, release any tension. Move up to your chest and relax your chest. Relax your arms, relax your hands and your fingers. Now focus on your shoulders and your neck and bring relaxation to those areas with every exhale. Your upper body is now relaxed. Now bring awareness to your face and relax all those micro muscles in your face. Relax your eyebrows, your forehead, relax your eyelids, relax your eyes, your jaw, your mouth. Your full body is now relaxed and free from any tension. Observe how your body feels and bring awareness to your breath once again. And whenever you're ready, start moving your hands, moving your fingers, your feet, and gently open your eyes.